Hello, hi, welcome to Apsana Classes. Today in this video, let's know about the expression for the stability factor of a CA configuration. For the CA configuration of a transistor. So, before knowing the stability factor of expression of a stability factor, so what is a stability? So, what is stabilization? Stabilization is nothing but the process of making operating point independent of. Let me write. Stabilization. Yes, stabilization is nothing but the process of making Q point, operating point independent of temperature and transistor parameter is called stabilization. The process of making Q point independent of temperature and transistor parameter is called stabilization. In the previous class, we have discussed the factors affecting the Q point. Where to get the input, to get the output without any distortions means flipping out with by due to cutoff region and saturation region. We have to fix the operating point in a very specific manner so that the output can be get without any distortions. It is not important to set, but also it is very important to maintain that Q point without variations of temperature and beta factor, means transistor parameters. We know that due to temperature, then IC V0 and VBE will changes, uh, and beta factor will also changes. So the process, so we have to make sure that the Q point must be stable to get the proper output without any distortions. So let's also know the definition of stability factor. So it is nothing but the rate of change of collector current with respect to collector leakage current at constant beta and VBE are called stability factor. So we have to make beta and VBE constant. So is nothing but a stability factor. See, stability factor indicated with S. S is nothing but a stability factor. So the rate of change of IC with respect to rate of change of IC V0 means leakage current at constant VBE and beta is nothing but stability factor. Now we have to get the expression for stability factor. So we have to take an expression of IC current, IC collector current, IC is equal to beta IB plus beta plus 1 into IC V0, ICO, leakage current. You get this expression with if you make IB equal to 0 and you have to make IC E0 and you have to substitute in IC V0 by 1 plus alpha. If you gone through that expression and you have to derive and you have to get in terms of beta, then you get this expression. See, this expression is obtained when IP equal to 0 with IC E0 equal to IC V0 by 1 minus alpha. I don't tell this expression, please let you know so that you can understand some more and you can get some more interest in electronic circuits. So to get the expression, you have to take this expression and differentiate with respect to IC. So let it be equation number 1. Differentiate equation number 1 with respect to IC. Then we get d IC by d IC equal to beta, which is a constant. So take it out. DIB by DIC plus, and the whole term is a constant, so take it out, beta plus 1, beta plus 1 DICO, leakage current IC. So the whole term is 1. So 1 is equal to beta DIB by DIC plus C. If you look at this, it is nothing by 1 by S. DIC by IC naught is equal to S, right? Here, so this is represented as 1 by S. So beta plus 1 by S. So see, the expression that we have is this. So now you move on this beta, this term to this side. Then we have beta plus 1 by S is equal to 1 minus beta DIB by DIC. Then if you want to get S, so S is equal to beta plus 1 by 1 minus beta DIB by DIC. So this is about the expression of stability factor. Stability factor S is equal to beta plus 1 by 1 minus beta DIB by DIC, and stabilization and stability factor. So this is about the today's class. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.